I don't know if somebody around you, or people around afraid to tell you, bro, but you're a waste, man. And you know that. You know deep down in yourself, bro. You're only a coward.
Be little me, which him feel like him rich, because he don't know what he want to be. He want to be skilled, then he want to be valiant, he want to be alkaline.
Coward. You're a punk. You're traumatized by popcorn and everything. Then the man them box you up. Now give you a song and them saying, running off a stage and you try to take it out on somebody else. Bro, come on, be a man. Love me alone, bro.
Man go on to start deal with them like how teacher they used to deal with them. Kick up and box up and shot in on the face like a boy. Cause come like somehow the little boy, a man and I love him, a bad man. Me I tell you, me a wrong man for no follow up charge.
If me and him have things, we don't know things but in me, him see Alkaline.
I just rush and call if you just check power.
Oh, me coward? Malie Donn, Armani, trash. Two of them are trash. They're my first two.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Malie Donn, Armani, trash. Two of them are trash.
Nobody feel me afraid up and land clip ram like champs if you ever grandstand. Tell Jamaica bad man say
boys are fighting.
Oh man.
Malie Donn and Armani versus.
I thought you boys were gonna make it very hard to talk about some things, man. Well, let's go.
What is the formula?
I can't tell you.
Seriously? Is it like a secret formula?
I can't tell you.
You just can't say what the formula is?
You have to just listen to the song formula.
Okay.
And then you work out your own formula.
Okay.
But I give you a hint from your work, you have the formula. So I guess you have to just work.
Me and them can't youth, no care them and grumble. They want say nothing but more wild enough for 200.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando and I building, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, we saw where Alkaline's impact / influence reign supreme in the dancehall space, in the newer era of dancehall with these new artists. We saw where Valiant and Armani seemingly going at it over the media, but it is said that both artists respect Alkaline on a different level. And I'm going to say this, if they respect Alkaline on a level, and them know how Alkaline go to work, if them a go to it, if them a go at it, like each other, Armani going at it with Valiant, might as well them go at it over music, pan tracks, instead of the Instagram, internet type of badness and trolling and all sort of that stuff. So, we saw where Valiant was on a recent podcast or a recent live stream with a brother when named Panga and Swissly. I know him a troll and him a diss up Armani and also him disrespect Malie Donn, and Malie Donn really respond and answer back to Valiant and so forth. So, me know Malie Donn a bad artist when it comes to gun music and lyrical field. Because we saw where him and Chronicler went at it with each other. So, we're going to jump into this whole thing about Armani, Malie Donn, and Valiant to really differentiate which artists we really think more capable of going at it with each other. And also, we're going to really distinguish which of the artists them better than which artists at right now are up there right now. Because I can definitely say, on the top of my voice, say, Valiant are the bigger artists out of all of the other artists, them, both Malie Donn and Armani. Them are do them think, but we're going to really distinguish who we think more of potential for really propel them career up on a different level if them go in a clash. So viewers and subscribers, before we get into the vlog, I want to make sure say, do me a huge favor by making sure that you like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, viewers and subscribers, let's just kick off the vlog like this. When me say there can be no sort of real unity in a dancehall, you probably think a joke, but it's no joke, it is a fact. So, Malie Donn, not Malie Donn, Armanii and Valiant, they were friends at one point, and we saw where they both part ways, and Armanii did a performance on one of Alkaline's new rules in Jamaica, in Trelawney, and Armanii, this Valiant on stage, brawling, and you know, it made the media and it went viral, and a lot of talking points, a lot of people were speaking on it. So, Armanii told Valiant to go ask him mother, and you know, Valiant just soak it in, and now we saw where him reply back in a recent live stream, or a couple days ago, I never really speak on it, but I speak on it now. We see where Valiant responded to Armanii and also Malie Donn. And I say, yo, them artists here really need to go in a studio if them really serious about whether them speak pan or if them really mean say them one another a friend. We not really in the local troll or internet viral moment. We depend on the songs, and Armanii and Valiant, they both rate and respect Alkaline. And as I said earlier in our vlog, if them rate Alkaline, them would definitely go in our studio. I mean, I really want to talk on this topic too long, because if the artists them not serious, it don't make no sense. But viewers and subscribers, I see Valiant post a video. Valiant was in a recent video that went viral where he must say, when Armanii see Alkaline, oh, he must go on, oh, Alkaline. I mean, I said, Jaja God. Even though both artists rate Alkaline, but you know, Valiant I try use that point, use that alkaline point for really drag Armanii in the media. If you have people that talk about him and say, yo, him a fanboy or him a fan out over Alkaline. So viewers and subscribers, watch the clippings with Valiant, because we saw where Armanii also responded, but we're going to get right into that. But watch the clippings of viewers and subscribers.
Armanii said, suck your mother Valiant. How did you feel?
I die can't make me feel no way.
Yo, come on. I'm going to kick you down.
Come to my tell you something like mix up that. You tell me oh, that make me feel. Come in, man.
Watch him.
Remember, come show you something. Because enough people want to know why, you know. You see,
why the beef?
No, there's no beef and there's no pasta. Well, listen, no? It's like a man and a man have a thing. Yeah. Remember, say me defend the dyke on the media already, you know.
Who's the dyke?
No, Armanii. What's that one? I'm afraid of going to that.
Sorry.
But it's when a man have certain things, him go on, him like him that way on the media, feel like if you tell me, suck your mother or something, because he can't say it to me face to face. Yeah. I'm not a bad boy, I'm an idiot, I'm music, me do.
True.
Any artist will tell you say I'm a bad man, I lie.
Yeah.
And music, me I do.
Yeah.
So him tell me it on the media and say, go suck your mother and blah blah. Me never too evil to meds it, because at the end of the day, me I say, if me and you have something Swissly, and it was just a simple thing, you get me I say, and you go up, remember say 2 hours to par, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
And my dog, you know,
True.
them time there, you know.
True.
And you go up on media and then I try, be little me, which him feel like him rich, because him don't know what he want to be. He want to be skilled, then he want to be Valiant, he want to be Alkaline. So me just try to show you, me always look out for him, so he go up on the media and listen. But me never even to, I think a shooter with a shooter one video for me do one video with a fuck around and I'm going to send it to viral. And I never that two meds it, because I say, I'm a dog, I don't think say, if me and him have things, I don't know things that go on. But in me, him see Alkaline.
So that's how Valiant have to say about Armanii. And there is more clippings to the whole video where him also took shots at Malie Donn, saying that Malie Donn and Armanii are trash and all sort of stuff. But I don't really want to play too much of the clipping, because some parts of the clippings not really relevant to the argument we make us say. But viewers and subscribers, pre this. I don't know what both artists have. Honestly, I don't know what both artists have, but you know, dancehall is an ego-driven sport. And it's also good for the genre and good for the sports of dancehall, because with dancehall being an ego-driven sport, it makes the artists them put out their best work. It breeds competition. So that is also good for the genre. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, the artists them, if them serious enough and believe say them better than them one another are, this man are better than that, the man they are, that the man they better, put in the work, clash one another. If I even 4 or 5 song clash, because you know, dancehall not really have a long clash culture. Again, clash culture naturally clash culture dead in a dancehall for a long time now. We don't have a long clash, and I doubt we will ever have one more again. But if them really believe say, yo, me are the man I know, Armanii better than the man there, Armanii hotter than the man there, me I go do a song and probably send one or a few shade. And if the next artist not answer, that means I'm coward, and that is just it. But viewers and subscribers, listen to what Armanii had to say about the whole thing that Valiant was speaking of on the internet, because they stirred up the internet in a way, you know. Honestly, viewers and subscribers, from Melissa did happen, we don't really hear much about dancehall and, you know, the controversy aspect of dancehall and who for ego I get the best of them. So it is a good look for the culture, because we have to keep the culture alive, and as we all know, dancehall is derived from ego and artists being and the sport being competitive. So Armanii, Valiant, two young artists, whatever, them I do what them I do. Make us see if them really brave enough, because the artists them, you know, of lately we realize say a pure girl music around the place right now, or a pure girl song them I do. We not seen an artist in the genre like the young guns them, the young artists them are really brave enough as to say sing the bad man music them and make it connect on a certain level. So if them artists are really serious, then them can go together and clash and whatever. But listen to what Armanii have to say, viewers and subscribers.
I don't know if somebody around you, or people them around afraid for tell you, bro, but you're a waste, man. And you know that. You know deep down in yourself, bro. You're only a coward. Look how much man violate you. And you do what you do. And the end you talk what you do. How you violate me, bro. You know no career life, and you know it. I don't know why you keep on give yourself problem, bro. You come like that one youth there in our class. You just want attention every minute. Do your music, bro, and stop use the media to stay afloat, bad man. You're artist. You're artist, you know, bro. Well, that you say you be, you know, bro. Use music to stay afloat and stop trying use media and clickbait and them thing, bro. You're a big man, brother. Pull up your pants. I'm tell you. Like you're a waste man, bro, and you know what you do. So now go on the internet come play innocent like say, yo, I never violate Armanii. You know what you do, pussy. You know what you do, bro. And calm down yourself. For the last time I want you, bro. Do your music and stop focus on me, dog. You bust before me, you know. You bust before me, bro. And you still a follow me up, brother. You bust before me, dog. And you still a follow me up. I left from round, bro. I'm still a find my song them and something, dog. I want to know. I'm number one me there right now. And you vex. You vex. Because another youth I get the shine, bro. Dancehall one man can't run dancehall, bro. And none of you can't stop nothing what me I do in a life, bro. Because me's a talented piece of youth and none of you talented compared to mine. Never. And you know that you're intimidated. You know you're intimidated by me, bro. Remember say when you try to obey me, you know, bro. I have to start talk the things them to people, you know, bro. I really move from around, you know, bro. I'm gonna practice when I practice, you know. God me believing in you. You see? Remember you try to do what you have to do, you know, bro. So nobody come round and so come try to tell a lie like say, yo, you know what you do, bro. You're a waste man. You're a coward. You're a punk. You're traumatized by popcorn and anything. The man them box you up. Now give you a song and them saying running off a stage and you try to take it out on somebody else. Bro, come on, be a man. Love me alone, bro. I don't answer.
So this thing seems more serious than what it really is, because viewers and subscribers, it is alleged that Malie Donn did a song with Armanii, and that is one of the reasons why Armanii and Valiant fall out. And as I said, viewers and subscribers, there is no real unity in a dancehall. There is no real unity because artists full of ego. I want to know a dancehall sport, the artists, them ego always get the best of them. So as I said, it is alleged that Malie Donn do a song with Armanii, which led to Armanii and Valiant fall out. And as you see earlier in our vlog, where Armanii and Valiant them do, you know, a little acoustic together. So me I wonder and I say, yo, what could have caused all of this? And also Armanii mentioned that Valiant did try, you know, Obia him, but me I wonder how I go on this. So the last time I hear somebody mention Obia was Jamil, saying that friends around him Obia him and all sort of madness, and then him start eating mud and all sort of things. So I don't know how I go on right now. But viewers and subscribers, show the thoughts. I mean, know what I think, but as it pertains to who I think, as it pertains to which one of the artists I think capable of reaching the next level, I will pre it like this. From Valiant, from my perspective, Valiant is like a lover boy type of artist. Him sing lover boy music. Him have a little, you know, one of you little tough bad man tune from him when him earlier start in him career, but not really bad man tune. But the person when me done say are the bad man artists are Malie Donn. Malie Donn have the bad man lyrics them because of recent time we saw where him and Chronicler also went at it. We never see Armani or Valiant really in a clash. Well, Valiant did have a little back and forth with TJ, and it was said that it was staged or a plan. I don't know how true that be, but we never really see Valiant and Armani in a no serious clash. And as I say, if them rate Alkaline, them know how Alkaline go to work already. But viewers and subscribers, I don't know how I go on with the young artists them. Dancehall clash culture really dead on a certain level. I don't know, the artists them probably just a focus on themselves, them not focus for going on a clash. But if them are gonna have beef over the media, it makes no sense. It look girly, cause you see me? Why the sense we not send shades back and forth? Because also, you know, we see where the artists them are send shades in a them story on Instagram. I mean, I say, yo, this no call for. Might as well go do it song. But viewers and subscribers, me gonna play Malie Donn's reaction to Valiant and what him did I say about Malie Donn. Valiant did I say, yo, Malie Donn are trash. And all sort of thing, but you know, Malie Donn a push a badness back at that because him have that character, a bad man image character. So him a play that character. I don't know if I play him, I play that character or that's just naturally him. But listen to what Malie Donn have to say about the whole thing. Because he also stated that, you know, Valiant begs because of the collab. So listen to this, viewers and subscribers.
Come like man go off and start deal with them like how teacher they used to deal with them. Kick up and box up and shut in on the face like a boy. Come like some of the little boy, a man and a loving a bad man. Me I tell you, me a wrong man for no follow up charge. Some little boy with a bad man all year, they run back a man for collab and a hey, little boy, I'm tell you this. And I say, true man, I mix up with the bad man. Bad man, I mix and mingle with someone like a batty boy and a dog. And I say, I'm the bad man. I'm a team that they are put in work charge. Man, I don't watch batty boy. See? Yeah. Come boy, and stop follow me up here. Work with the put in. Videographer. Salky. Atto. Outside. Anton. Outside.
So that is a little bit of what Malie Donn had to say, viewers and subscribers. I mean, I pre it like this, you know, viewers. From a longer time, you know, Valiant to follow up Malie Donn, because from the clash with Malie Donn and Chronicler, we saw where Valiant was sending some shades over the media. And you know, Malie Donn also do it after the clash where he put up some money saying that Valiant a brag about money or a cap about money. So you know, them been a really shade one another over the media, and we been know say yo, they are at odds. But Jano viewers and subscribers, only thing say a full time now for the artists them really go at it and stop this one bagger trolling or one bagger shading over the internet, because I know dancehall that I don't know of lately dancehall has become this whole internet shading. Even recently we saw where Massacre posted a video stating that him of the hits them in a dancehall. I don't know what trigger him to do that. But you don't know how Massacre go to works already. Whenever he's planning on dropping anything or he's preparing to drop an album, him always forward on the internet and trolling and all sorts of things, viewers and subscribers. But I will be featuring that clipping in this vlog. But viewers and subscribers, watch this and listen what Massacre have to say about who have the hits in a dancehall. Watch this.
Who have the hits them? Nobody but blood clap. Me! Remember that. One side to the landslide. Believe no man. Believe!
So yeah, that is what Massacre had to say, viewers and subscribers. But all in all, we don't know how Massacre got to work already. That is him. Him always going to troll the media. Him always going to rage bait and people going to run with it no matter what. But nevertheless, viewers and subscribers, Malie Donn, Valiant and Armani, 3 young artists, right? 3 talented artists who do them thing in a dancehall in a them own way. Because the 3 artists, them, you know, different in them own way, but they all three of them do girl songs. And them have some sort of versatility whenever or as it pertains to where them sing both in them song. But Armanii and Valiant, even though they were friends and them fall out, and Valiant a try to sell the Alkaline part in the dissing of Armanii, I feel like they both rate Alkaline and them look up to Alkaline. And as me say, this newer generation, they are inspired by Alkaline, because even Malie Donn, viewers and subscribers, you remember when Malie Donn was clashing Chronicler, and he did a verse on his last this song to Chronicler, and you can hear the Alkaline flow, the Alkaline type of style, the melody in I think it was the second verse of that song. I don't remember what the song name, but you can hear it. So as I say, viewers and subscribers, this new generation of artists, they are inspired by Alkaline, are somewhat influenced by him. Him impact a show in the culture, no matter what, even when nobody not attack. But Valiant, me know what I do. Valiant a sell something out there, because every artist have to do what them can do. Not every artist, but a lot of these artists are do what them do so them can get a viral, so them can drop a project or whatever them have planning. But viewers and subscribers, wanna share your thoughts in the comment section. You know, this is the end of the vlog. Remember, know one thing, you know it go. A Vibes and Inside with Nando. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.